Let's make a quick and delicious homemade juice. No preservative, no added sugar, just pure and natural goodness. First, you pick and wash your fruits. Try pineapple for tropical sweetness, watermelon for hydration, strawberry for a tangy twist, pomegranate for antioxidant, and honeydew melon for a refreshing touch. Slice your fruits into smaller pieces to make blending easier. Then grab your blender or juicer. The choice is yours. If you want to strain your juice, you could add ice, a splash of lemon, or even a hint of mint for extra. Juice is not just tasty, it's a powerhouse of vitamin and antioxidants. No added sugar, no preservative, just pure refreshing goodness in every sip. So go ahead, mix, match, create your perfect juice blend. Cheers to healthy you. Fresh juice is easy to digest. With no added sugar, homemade juice is a great low-calorie drink. It satisfies craving while giving your body essential nutrients. In order to keep your fresh juice longer, store in an airtight glass. Fill the bottle to the top, squeeze lemon, and refrigerate immediately. After blending, rinse your blender immediately, wash it with warm, soapy water, and let it dry. Ready for your next juicing. Juicing is all about experimenting, mixing flavors, enjoy the process, and most importantly, have fun. If you ever need to store your juice any bit longer, ensure that you store them in portions. If you're a new beginner, just use this simple method to make your own juice. See you in my next video.